adventurers, Boki and Koki here, ready for our biggest challenge yet. Today, we conquer on the super slide of destiny. Yeah, the destiny slide.
Right, superhero.
Slow.
I think our shimmering friend might be near that big willow.
Whoa! This ladder is taller than it looks.
Teamwork makes the dream work, Boki.
Yeah! We did it!
You sure did.
Victory! I'm king of the slide! Woohoo!
My turn. Incoming.
Whee! Best landing ever! Woohoo!
We did it!
Yeah! That was amazing! I know, it's so much fun!
Hey, Boki, did you see that?
See what?
Over there.
See what? I was too busy being awesome. Look! Come on! It looked like a shimmering leaf. An adventure awaits. This park is huge. Are we sure it was a leaf? I think so. Let's keep looking.
My instincts are never wrong, Boki. We just need to find the right path.
Look! A rainbow flower. So sparkly.
Interesting. It reminds me of the shimmer from earlier.
Wow! Koki, look! It's glowing!
Hey, you noticed it too.
Maybe the shimmering leaf is actually a shimmering flower.
Wow, let's keep going and find out.
Careful there, Boki. Don't scare it away.
Whoa, look at it go!
It's so fast.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, next time.
Just practicing my superhero landing.
Whoa! Whoa! We're not done waiting.
Whoa!
A tree of secrets. Let's go!
It feels magical around here.
Ha! 나무니가 스펀졌다! 지단이 던진다! 오마지요! You found it! This must be where the shimmer comes from. High five, Koki! Let's see what's inside! It's a secret treehouse with fairy lights! I can't believe it! And a map, too. The sparkle gem? Ooh!
Looks like you two found my little hideaway.
Officer Maki, we, just exploring.
Well, hello there, little ones.
Looks like fun.
That's a clue for our annual community sparkle hunt. The gem is a special prize for good deeds.
Oh! A treasure hunt for good deeds. That's even better. Yeah, let's go. So, what kind of good deeds? Can we start now?
Oh, there are many kinds of good deeds.
We can definitely start now.
Your first clue. Where water dances and flowers bloom, find kindness to chase away gloom.
Ooh. Wow. Okay, got it.
I know exactly where that is. The community square.
Community square. Let's go spread some kindness.
Good luck, little adventurers. Make a difference.
All right, community square. Time to find some kindness. Aha. little friend. Mission accomplished! Yay! That's one good deed. Oh, that's not kind to the flowers.
You're right.
Yeah! Let's make this square sparkle again. Yeah, Koki, let's do it. Look how pretty it is now! Wow! Run! Maki! Oh, hi, Maki!
Excellent work, young volunteers. You embody true community spirit.
We're on the sparkle hunt, Officer Maki, spreading kindness.
That's a wonderful idea, Koki. Tell me all about it.
It's so beautiful. And it really sparkles. Wow. Look at that glow. Oh! We did it, Boki. We really did it.
And that's how you earn a sparkle gem!
Hooray! Congratulations, my friends.
Keep spreading kindness, everyone.